Brother Cole continues telling us about Kiri. You're with Mission Alive from the MSC Mission Office.
The islands are spread over 3.5 million kilometres of ocean. 3.5 million kilometres of ocean. So it's a very large spread. And as I said before, the national population is about 110,000. The actual land mass is only about 811 square kilometres, the actual land mass, so there's very little land. You could say 99% ocean, 1% land, and when you look at the country overall, the country itself is larger than India. The spread of the country is larger than India. What these atolls are, they're very low set. The highest point would be only about 2 metres above sea level. But the highest point, there's a mountain on the island in Christmas Island, which is the east. The furthest east is island, Christmas Island, and that is about 81 metres above sea level. And what it tells you that it's a very, with the world global warming, Kiri is this danger of not existing at all. The Kiri government has bought land in Fiji to put people on if things get worse. It's under threat of the sea level, and climate change is very important. Very important. What it tells you also, the rising waters will affect most of the land when there's changes of tide and things, and thus parts of the islands get flooded at times, and there's very little drinking water. Very little drinking water. One of the projects the mission officers carried out there is giving tanks so they can get water off their roofs. As I said before, the majority of the population are Christian religion. And they're very respectful Christian religion. There's no doubt, in my opinion, they're a very spiritual people. And if Christianity didn't come there, or something else would have come there, I think that religion would have taken over. Because they're basically a very spiritual people. And then that factor about them existing in the 4 hemispheres is an amazing thing, really, when you consider no other country in the world is like it. No other country in the world is like it. And thus, existing on both sides of the date line, it's the first country in the world that starts a new day. First country in the world that starts a new day. The Kiri flag is a very beautiful flag. It's got the ocean in it, the blue and white of the ocean, the frigate bird flying over the sun in red and blue, red and gold. The ocean's in blue and white. It's a very attractive flag.